Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a furniture store and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you are certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, furniture store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our furniture store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that to retail. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and generate a simple website for me with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites of all the various furniture items you stock in your store. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sorts. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site to display my email address on my website. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. Great thing about that location, when your customers click on that address, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. And update social links. If you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on, icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you've got a business logo, click on update logo, browse your device to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually click on this pencil directly over it to make slight amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, frames. Let's go ahead and click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, click on the paint bucket, no color coding needed. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image first. Over here, you can browse your device to upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. They're all completely free to use. Mighty Sites will automatically search for furniture store, but you can play around with those keywords that you're searching for. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've recently introduced the feature where you can actually connect your Instagram account. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Pretty much just connecting to my handyman service Instagram account here, just to give you an example of how easy it is to connect your Instagram accounts, pull in all those images so you don't have to individually upload them all. Really like saves you some time and is super convenient. So now I've connected my Instagram account. I'm going to go back to that section over there, click on update image. Now I have the option to select images from my Instagram account for this section and all the other sections as well. Under update to action is where you can change that button, the text, and where those buttons link to. You can link to various places as well as upload a PDF file. and update contents is where you can change that pre-written content that was written for you to make your website a little bit more personalized to suit your business. Now, in this section over here, it's automatically pulled in all my Instagram images, or a couple of them at least. If you want to change it, you can browse your device, you can search for your photo library, but you can update the design, the layout option to display only one image if you'd want, or two. Have a look at the various layout options. In this section over here is where you can put in your trading hours for your furniture store. Once you've popped them in over here, they will be displayed in this section over here. If you have a custom domain for your business, you now have the option to click on connect your domain. You can set it up by clicking on this button. Otherwise, if you don't have a domain yet, you can click on I want a new domain and purchase a domain via the Marti Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial is helpful in building a website for your furniture store. Really wishing you and your business Marti success.